Hello everyone and welcome to the video tutorial on how you can edit your documents offline inside Google Docs. This is Sabine from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's jump into our topic. In order to make your document be available to edit offline, you need to use Google Chrome. This is the necessity. Using any other search engines will not have the ability to use this feature. After you have signed into your Google, go to Google Docs. Now, after you have entered the home screen of the Google Docs, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three-line icon right here. Click on the three-line icon, go to Settings, and right here, toggle this option on. Toggling this option on will make your document available to be edited offline. Click on it and toggle it on. And then after you have toggled it on, click on OK. Now, in case you need to make a specific document be available to edit offline, what you can do is click on the three-dot icon right below the document and click here. Right here, you can just make it available offline. Toggle it on. And then the document that you have chosen should be able to be edited offline as well. Now the necessities in order to use these features are: first, you need to use Google Chrome as a search engine, and the next one is you need to be online to make this feature available. So that's it for today. These are some tips on how you can edit your document offline inside Google Docs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.